Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Purereviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And if you find this particular video helpful, be sure to hit that like button. Maybe leave a comment before you go. That really helps out the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available on Amazon, and there is a link in the description that will take you to the product page where you can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? So today's product I want to share with you is an expandable garden hose by a company called Dprofy. Once you order it, it's going to come in this nice little bag, which you can use to store all the parts and pieces. But let's go over everything you are going to get. You are also going to get a little hanging handle here. So you can use this to carry around the hose, or if you want to mount this over your spigot, you can do that, or you can hang it on the wall and basically keep your hose organized if you don't want to store it in the bag. It is going to include some Teflon tape if you want to use this for your connections on your hose bib. It is going to include this bag here with a bunch of extra heavy-duty rubber gaskets, which are really, really nice because, you know, over time these can dry out and crack and whatnot. So they include some nice rubber additional ones here that you can use. And it is also going to include it's going to include a spray nozzle, shall I say, here. And then this has 8 different sprays on it. And then it has a lock motion so you can keep it going all the time. It's got a nice grip on it here for your index finger and your other fingers. And then it has the nozzle here, which you can adjust how easy it is to push down this handle. And then this just twists for the different sprays. And it has a nice loud click, so you know when you've gone to the next setting. Then the most important part itself, you get the expandable hose, and here it is. Now this hose is 50 feet long, so it will basically grow 3 times the size that you see right here. Now the outer hose casing itself has got a nice braided nylon fabric here. And then inside here, it has a 3-layer natural latex core, which is going to keep it from puncturing really easy. And it also keeps this from basically kinking and reducing the water. You have to really struggle to get that to kink, which is really, really nice. Now, to me, an important thing is the connection points. As you can see right here, the connection points are all solid brass, which is really nice that they're not plastic, so they're not going to break down and crack on you. And then this in here is where the rubber gaskets go to keep it from leaking. But yeah, and then on the end handle here, it has this quick on and off basically valve that will stop the water flow. So if you basically leave your faucet turned on, you can just quickly turn it off right here on the hose itself. But also overall, the water pressure is great because that is what's also an important thing with some of these expandable hoses. You know, they never really fill up all the way, and so you never have that strong water pressure. I don't experience that with these, which is really, really great. You can run over them with your car and things like that, and they bounce right back, which is really, really, really nice. That is basically all the ins and outs of this. If there was something that I didn't cover that you're curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond to those. And until the next video, you guys take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.